What types of injuries may not be covered by workers' compensation? Attorney Gordon Crawford explains. Pre-existing conditions, injuries resulting from horseplay or physical fights in which the claimant was the aggressor, and injuries that occur while the employee was intoxicated or under the influence of drugs would not be covered by workers' compensation. Also, if the employee fails to use proper safety gear that the employer furnishes and requires to be worn by its employees and is injured, that injury may not be compensable. An example would be if the employer furnishes and requires the use of safety goggles while grinding on steel pipe, and the employee fails to wear the goggles. If a fleck of metal hits the employee in the eye and requires medical attention and time off from work, the employer and their insurance company will likely deny the claim. Also, the injury must have occurred in the course and scope of employment. Furthermore, the injury must have occurred during working hours and be related to the work that the employee performs for their employer. Normally, an employee driving his personal vehicle to and from his home and his work would not be considered in the course of employment if they get into an accident. However, there are exceptions to this general rule, and that is why it is helpful to discuss your case with an attorney that is experienced in handling workers' compensation cases. If you or a loved one have been injured, you need someone who is experienced at protecting your rights and is dedicated to helping you stay informed throughout this difficult time.